Okay, let's try the product rule. So with the product rule, we need to be careful to say what we want to make this and what we want to make that. So we'll say u is equal to x3 plus 7x minus 1. Then v, we're going to say is equal to, so normally best is to separate them like this, where you say now v is equal to 5x plus 2. Okay, so we have u, and then we have u, and then we have v. So I'll carefully now do du here. Okay, so this is going to be du dx. It's going to be this one. We use the power rule, and that's why we said we need to understand the power rule. Once we understand the power rule, it's easier for us to manipulate these. Okay, so that would be, these are easier. Okay, so this comes down, then we take away the power rule. If you can't remember, we said that dy dx is equal to n x n minus 1, and so this is based on the function xn, right? So what would be dv over dx? Okay, remember I'm doing this one and then I did that one. So this one is going to be, this one becomes 5, and this is, we use the constant rule, that's 0. Same here, we use the constant rule, it was 0. And so easiest way is just now to come, remember we made sure that this was to do with u and that was to do with v. So the easiest now is to cross multiply these two. That will be your dy dx. Okay, dy dx. Remember, we you can state the formula first. Dy dx is equal to u dv over dx plus v du over dx. Now we say that the clever thing to do is to cross multiply these two. So we're going to say dy over dx is equal to, we start with this function here, okay, u. So we say x3 plus 7x minus 1 times 5, okay, then plus the other arrow points there. So we get this first, 5x plus 2, okay, that's this one. Then we get the du dx, which is 3x squared plus 7. We can go on and simplify these, okay, to get our finalized answer. But otherwise, this is the derivative, okay. All right, so for completion, let's go and expand. So we're going to say dy over dx. It's going to be these two. It's going to be 5x3 plus 35x minus 5. Okay, we put in brackets, we make sure it's separate, then plus the expansion of this one is going to be 15x3. Okay, 15x3, right? These two, and then this and this gives us 35x plus 35x, right? Then we get this and this, we get 6x squared plus 6x squared. Okay, this and that, this and this. Okay, then this one and that one is 14, right? So we add 14 here. Okay, the next step is we simplify again. So now we look for like terms. This one and that one are like terms, so we're going to say it's 20x3. We go to the next has to have x2, right? The only one with x2 is this one, so we're going to say plus 6x2, right? Then we go to the next one, which is x. Okay, 35x and 35x, that gives us 70x, right? And then we have minus 5 and 14, we'll get plus 9. Okay, there's nothing else to simplify, so this is our finalized form of our derivative. Okay, all right.